In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create snippets in Hubspot using the Snippet tool. This tool is an amazingly efficient way to streamline your communication by quickly inserting predefined responses into your emails or notes, saving you both time and effort. So, let's dive right into it. First, you need to head over to HubSpot, open your browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. HubSpot is a comprehensive platform designed for business growth, offering everything from marketing and sales to customer service tools. Once you're on their homepage, locate the Login button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. Next up is locating the library section. This is where all your tools and resources are housed. It serves as your central hub from where you can access all sorts of functionality within HubSpot. Look for the library in the main navigation menu. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Inside the library you will find a variety of tools, but today our focus is on snippets. This directed section contains pre-crafted text blocks you can quickly insert into communications. Find the snippets option in the list and click on it to proceed. You've now entered the snippets area where the magic happens. It's time to create a new snippet, so look for the Create Snippet button. It's usually highlighted to stand out, making it easy for you to find. Clicking on this button will open up a new form or window where you can start drafting your snippet. Now unleash your creativity or pragmatism, depending on what you need the snippet for. You can write anything from a simple email sign-off to a detailed product info block. Remember to keep your snippets concise yet informative, as they are meant to quickly convey information without overwhelming the recipient. Once you've composed your snippet, the next essential step is to save it. This action ensures your hard work is stored within HubSpot for easy retrieval whenever needed. Look for the Save Snippet button. Typically situated at the bottom of the snippet creation form, with a single click, your snippet is now an official part of your communication toolkit. Congratulations, you've just created your first snippet in HubSpot with the Snippet tool. This tool is a powerful way to maintain consistency and efficiency in your outreach. Feel free to revisit this tool anytime you need to create additional snippets that will enhance your business communication strategy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring what HubSpot has to offer.